Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start Kotlin programming language series. So before we are going to learn what is Kotlin, so first of all we look into that where to use it and why we are using the Kotlin programming language. So Kotlin programming language we are using in the Android development. As we know, nowadays we are mostly rely on our mobile phones. There are lots of applications in the mobile phone which are helping us in our daily basis. For example, if you want to buy something, we can go we can take out our phone and shop it on e-commerce application like Amazon, Swiggy, Instamart, or a Blinkit. Okay, so there are lots of applications which are also related to your finance management. For example, you can manage your money in the expense manager. Okay, an investment application there are stock grow app. Okay, and you can also invest in your stocks in with the help of Paytm or phone pay. Okay, and the payment method like we are using daily basis nowadays India is a become a digital payment hub. So for this there are lots of payment application are also available in the market like PhonePay, Google Pay, and Paytm. So let's do not go into deeper inside that Android development. We will take it later more about Android development in the further video. Basically, to develop any app for an Android phone we need a language. So the language is Kotlin. Okay, which is also recommended by Google in its documentation. So let's start introduction to the Kotlin. Kotlin is basically statically typed language and a general purpose language developed by JetBrains. It was first introduced by JetBrains in 2011. So in 2011, Kotlin was first introduced, and it was now official language of Android development by the Google. Okay, so this is a basic introduction of the Kotlin programming language. So let's go to our system and let's see how to install the ID for it, where we are going to run it. So just go on your browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, or just type a URL jetbrains.com/idea/ okay. You will pop up this window. Okay, then you can download from here, download button based on your operating system. And after that you can install as many software you can already installed in your system. It is the same way you can install it. And after installing this IDE, this after, after installing it is look like this. Okay, you can open it. How to create a new project in this? You just go to file and click on the new button, click on the project. Okay, so here you can give your project name. Here you can give your path, which is a default path. So here if you are writing something, this will update the your project name after the folder. Okay, ID project folder. Okay, from here you have to select the Kotlin. Okay, Kotlin language. Okay, build system is IntelliJ or Gradle based on you what you are preferring. Okay, and JDK you have to select on this. Okay, if you don't have the JDK version, you can download it. Okay, and you have to add it here. Now when you are clicking on the create button, it will create it will create a one project on your project name. Okay, so I have already created one project, that is Kotlin bootcamp. So there are many files. So basically we have to focus on this src file. Here we have to create one package like our first class. So day one. Okay, day one. So here we have created our first package. Now we will talk about what is the package and all. Let's create one file, practice one. Okay, practice one. So when you created this now, so for every programming language there is a entry point from where the program should run. Okay, let's go to the our board to better understanding. Okay, so here Kotlin. Okay, so we have to give an entry point. Entry point, what is entry point? Basically from where program will run. Okay, so if we suppose this is a file. Okay, and here we create our entry point. So our program will run here, and it will run line by line. After that it will go to uh, upper part if there is any functions or classes there. Okay, so let's see how to create a entry point. So to create a entry point in the Kotlin, we have to create a one function, that is name of main function. If any function which is name is whichever name is main, so it act as an entry point for the our file. Okay, entry point. So how to create it? Just you have to write a fun. So fun is a keyword. Okay, it is a keyword for a function. You have to write fun. After that you have to write function name. Okay, function name. What is the function name? Function name is our main. Okay, here we have to write main. After that we have to two brackets, round bracket. After that we have to create our block which with the help of curly braces. Inside this curly braces we have to write our code. So what will be the main function? Main function will be fun main. Okay, and like this. So this is our main function, so this is also an entry point. Okay, so okay, now to display anything in the console or a like terminal. Okay, terminal, we have two function, println. Println means like this is will like line break. Okay, next line this will print in the next line. After that it will print, and after that uh, the next output will be in the next line. Okay, and one more function is print. This is same basically, but it will, if you are using to print to print, so this will first of all print here. After that it will print here in the println. First of all it print here like upper, and after that it will break the line, and bottom it will print the new line. Okay, so these are two functions to displaying into the terminal. Okay, let's go to into our file, and let's see how to create it. Okay, so first of all you have to write like fun. Okay, for the function, and fun main, this is our main function. Here also you get the like triangular icon, so here we can run our program. Okay, here we have to give the circular like round bracket, and after that our block. Here we write our code. Here we write our code. So do not like think about this new. Okay, this is basically we have added our this project into the GitHub. That is why it is mentioning that new line of code is like written. Okay, so this is also updating in the git. After that we can push it into the GitHub. So to print it anything in the Kotlin, so we use println, and here into the double quotes we can write it hello world. Okay, which is a common template for a new language. Okay, if you are learning. So here we can click on the triangular button, and we can run it here. Okay, after that if it is compiled successfully and run it, then we can found it here in the terminal. Okay, hello world. Okay, we got it. So this is our basic introduction of the Kotlin programming language. So after that like in the further video we will learn about more on data types and variable, how to create it and all. Okay, so so we can wrap up this class. Okay, oh, thank you very much. Bye.